Yo, what up? Come take this transmission apart with me. I got the input shaft that is broken, and we're going to be taking apart the input drum assembly. A lot of the time they twist and break like that. But first, we're going to go ahead and take off the reverse backing plate and snap ring. Kind of have to work it around to get it up. And then we're going to get our reverse clutches out. Those look good. Then we're going to work on getting our underdrive, overdrive, reverse backing plate out. Check out the snap ring, make sure it's all good. I don't see any issues there. And just pull the backing plate up. We're going to pull out our underdrive clutches are smoked. They're supposed to be nice and flat and not discolored, and these things are springy. Look at me, watch, I'm going to spring them out. They're not supposed to look like that. No. So we're going to put those off to the side, and then we're going to work on getting our next backing plate out. This backing plate is the reverse overdrive backing plate. And the snap ring is extremely hard to get out. I don't know why, it's super tough all the time. But I usually don't get it the first try. But by the grace of God, I think I'm going to get it. I guess we'll see. Oh yeah, there it goes. So now we're pulling out a reverse backing plate. Reverse overdrive backing plate. I apologize. Okay, reverse overdrive backing. Now we're going to be pulling out our overdrive clutches. Okay, we got our overdrive clutches out. And they look to be good. Also know that the overdrive and underdrive clutches look the same, but the thicknesses are different. So you're going to need a micrometer. And then we're going to work on getting the input shaft out. Right now we're going to have to remove the input shaft circlip. And that can also be a pain in the butt sometimes, but once you get that out, the input shaft will fall right out of the hub. And there we go. And there's our input shaft. And that piece is still stuck in the torque converter. All right, so now we're going to work on getting our input drum separated. This is the wave spring for that plate that we took out. And here we have a return spring retainer snap ring that we have to pull out. There's a spring underneath this piston here. You got to compress the piston to get this snap ring out. Make sure you have a really good pair of snap ring pliers to get these out. These snap rings are no joke. But once you do that, your piston comes out, and then your return spring, and then there's a ballast piston underneath it that has to be removed. And then we're looking at the next tapered snap ring. This one is bigger and stronger. So like I said, make sure you have a good pair of snap ring pliers to get those out. And that one came out without a problem. And now we're going to have to move to take all of this apart. So we've got the rest of the input drum assembly on the bench, and we're going to have to tap this out with a hammer. Just tap it lightly. I like to use a brass hammer because it's a soft metal. So if you just tap it out just a little bit. Now we have our input clutch hub, and we're going to separate the other two drums. We've got a set of seals right here. That is a red seal and a green seal. It's easy to get the red seal in the wrong groove, and if you do, you will have clutch non-apply issues. It's easy to do. I've done it before. We have lip seals inside this drum. I'm going to pull the lip seal out. And then we have, we're going to pull the seals off of this clutch hub. There's two seals there, and then there should be a lip seal inside the clutch hub, just like that other one we took off. Watch me struggle with this, because my hands are slippery. And then we got our lip seal. Put our lip seal off to the side. And now we have everything apart and ready to get cleaned. Thanks for watching.